a victory via penalties, but let's go through the 90 minutes and how you feel. You've spoken about the new signings, the injuries to the players you've had. Are you satisfied with your trip to South Africa?
Well, when it comes to winning, the end of the day, I'm satisfied with the way my points. But tactically, also I'm also satisfied because I know for sure you have been through the process before me, and with the new players, definitely I will not get what I wanted, but at least I assigned them certain responsibilities, and I was looking at it for them to do it. And I know at the end of the day, we might win by 1 or it goes to draw. That was my thinking, because when you watch, we didn't attack too much, but defensively we were ready for you. Because seriously, I don't have to go to match you because you are ahead in terms of preparation, in terms of team cohesion, and so you are ahead of me. So definitely I have to use my sense of judgment to go according to the players I'm having. Because that's what I did today.
You use your sense of judgment, coach, but the players executed what you said because they did sit a little deep, and that's what you just said now.
Yes, as I told you, because of consistency, we don't have it. You understand me? You look at the boys play. They were even tired in some points, so I have to be changing. Why? Because we've not started running as usual as the preseason demands, but we started doing, you know, back in Ghana, we just won the FA, we just won the present cup. So before coming down here, so even before coming, look at the tedious work. 3 days we didn't play, we didn't train. So I know definitely we'll get tired. So why not sit back and then play? You see, this is what makes you a good coach. You have to read the opponent and then try to come up with a strategy that will suit your team. So that's exactly what I did.
Coach, now you look to go back to your season. You finished second place runners-up in the 24-25 season. Are you confident that this side that you have will be able to go one up in the next?
Seriously, I have to be honest with myself. The way South Africans play, they play like Europeans, and I know it's not like the other side of the countries. They play like Europeans. They don't chase you, but they will let you chase them. And I know it because I had all my I had all my studies of 11 times I've been to Europe to learn. I'm a developer. Professionally, I'm a developer. I like working with young ones. So seriously, you didn't play badly, but maybe the luck is on our side. Because at the end of the day, you ask yourself, an element of luck was against you, and we were lucky to win. But at the end of the day, everybody would like to be lucky. So I'm very lucky. I'm very happy that tactically we went according to our plan, and it works for us.
Thank you so much, coach, and safe travels.
Thank you very much.
And that is the coach of Asante Kotoko walking away with that victory. But